When you're sent out on a job, you need the right tools to get the job done and done right. One simple, low-cost tool can help you find problems fast and show your customers exactly where the problem lies, and then show them that you fixed it. An inexpensive FLIR thermal camera can help with every aspect of your job. Not on board yet? We'll show you the top 5 reasons you need a FLIR thermal camera for HVAC. Pinpoint leaky joints and lost insulation that make air ducts less efficient. Find cold spots or overheating coils in radiant flooring. Detect refrigerant leaks or plugged condenser coils. Measure coil temperatures in HVAC air handling units. Find bad connections and blown fuses in electrical systems. Want to see more?